I love this project. This project has been, oh my gosh, it's probably been 5 years since I've been planning to do this, and just recently got around to it and got it finished. I wanted some really big pressure gauges to put on the wall, really just for decoration. That's why I never got around to it, because I really didn't need them. I just wanted to look at them. So anyway, that's what these are. This one registers the main line pressure, and then this one registers what is coming out of the regulator. Anyway, so I made everything you see here except for the actual mechanism that is the pressure gauge itself. I stole that out of another pressure gauge. You know, I bought a pressure gauge and took it apart. It was a pressure gauge about this big. Took it apart and basically inflated it into something this size. I made a pattern and poured these and then finished them. I made these dials from scratch. Made the needles, which, you know, I'm not real happy with the needles. I'm thinking I'm going to redo those at some point, but right now it's working, so I'm going to leave that alone. I made these badges, and I made a separate video on how to do these badges. And then I made this block down here and wired it up. I mean, piped it up. Now, this is just rubber hoses that goes. This one goes to my airline past the regulator, and this goes to my airline before the regulator. This is going to be a 5-part series. The first part is going to be making these housings, casting them, and all the way through to painting them. All right, let's get started. Part 1. Here's our pattern, and I had to put a board in here so that I can ram it up the first side of it, and this just holds that piece of plywood up at the right level. And then when I flip it over, I'll take that part out.
All right, I think that's going to work really good. I got a little bit of, I'll have to file off right there, but that's not a problem at all. Okay, I'm really happy with that. I'm just cleaning up the flash on these edges. You want to just take your time with this and make a nice job of it. This file I'm using is called a half-round bastard file, and it does a really good job on aluminum. It's coarse, and so it doesn't clog up as fast, and it makes a really quick job of cleaning this flash off. And the nice thing, it's got this round side, so you can just, on a profile like this, you can get in there and really finesse it. Got our casting bolted down here, and first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and get this sprue cut out of here. Okay, I got a boring bar in here, and all I'm going to do is dress this lip right here. So I'm going to put a piece of glass in here, and I just want to clean it up so that glass will fit there and not crack. And I've got a little bit of fall in over here, and a few other little things, so this will just clean it up nice and flat. I just got to tap these. I'm tapping them 832. Starting with a plug tap, and then I'll finish the hole with a bottoming tap. Alright, then I'll just do the other three. Alright, I'm drilling the hole for the copper pipe to come out the bottom of it so the pressure can get in there. And I've spot drilled it, and I'm trying to drill it 90 degrees to this face. Now I'm going to paint this with, it's a Rust-Oleum self-etching primer. I use that pretty much on all of my aluminum castings because it etches in there, and you never have any trouble with your paint peeling off later. I've cleaned these with brake cleaner. They would have had some oil on them from the machining that I did, and I just spray them over with brake cleaner until it's dripping off, and then I've never had a problem after that.